Let me ask you something real quick. How many times have you said, next year will be my year? 2023, 2024, and now here we are in 2025. Same story, different date, but here's the thing. I'm not here to sugarcoat it or give you another motivational sugar rush. I'm here to give you the raw truth about why you're stuck, and more importantly, how to break free. You know what's funny? We all say we don't have time, yet somehow we find 3 hours for TikTok, another 4 for that Netflix show we've already seen twice, and countless moments staring at our ceiling, thinking about how we don't have time. Let's cut the BS. You have the time. After sleep and work, most of us have 6 solid hours. The question is, what are you doing with them? We're living in an era where everything, literally everything, is at our fingertips. Want to start a business? There are free tools and AI to guide you. Want to get in shape? Countless apps and communities are ready to support you. But here's the harsh truth. All these tools are useless without one thing, a system. Goals without systems are just wishes. Saying, I want to save money means nothing without a plan. Saying, I want to get fit is useless without a routine. The difference between people who achieve and people who dream isn't talent, it's their systems. So here's your wake-up call. 2025 doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care about your past failures or your good intentions. What it cares about is what you're willing to do differently starting right now. The world might seem gray and colorless, but you have the power to bring back your own color. You can keep scrolling through motivation videos, or you can be the one who actually makes the change. The choice is yours. But remember, we're not having the same conversation next year. Lock in now or stay locked out. Are you ready to stop saying next year and start saying right now?